Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up Fidelity 401k or rollover accounts. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to set up Fidelity 401k or rollover accounts, first what you need to do is prepare your information like having social security number, employment info and old 401k account info for rollover and bank account info as well. The next is to simply head over to the browser and then on the search bar type Fidelity retirement accounts, and once the search wizard loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is just simply tap on open an account option, which will be provided to you on the home screen. Then once you tap on open an account, what you need to do here is select retirement accounts. Then once you select retirement accounts by simply tapping on open an account, here what you need to do is simply select rollover IRA and tap on open a rollover. Then for transferring old 401k or retirement accounts, rollover IRA is used, and new 401k or employer plan is for current employer. The next is to fill in the personal information like name, date of birth, SSN, contact info like address, phone and email, and employment info as well. The next is to fund your account. For new 401k, set contribution percentage from your paycheck, choose direct deposit bank account if needed, and for rollover, provide old 401k info, and Fidelity will guide the transfer of assets and decide whether to do a full or partial rollover. The next is to choose investments. Fidelity offers a range of mutual funds, ETFs, and target date funds. Target date funds are popular for seniors as well. And lastly, review and submit by checking all info carefully and agree to the terms and conditions and click on submit. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.